Why does it say performance issues? Ugh. Hi, I'm doing a taste test of cereal. Because, well, my friend doesn't like cereal, and it's breakfast time. Okay, so to start off this cereal trend, we actually have this nice amount of like these little knockoff ones that came in a pack together. These still remind me of my childhood because you go to the school early, you get some breakfast, and it would be these boxes, and they're like, oh, you can eat it in the box. You can't eat it in the box. No, never can you eat in the box. Because pour the milk into the box. The box gets soggy, and you have wet cardboard on a table. Ugh. So, I'm going to try some of these. And you might see a difference with the videos. I have a new camera, or not a new camera, a new computer, and it's not exactly the greatest. Okay, so first up is this Honey Nut Toasted O's, which is a knockoff of Cheerios. Bright side's 100 calories thing. Okay, so let's put that in there. My big bowl of milk. God damn, these are bland. It's slightly honey, but it just tastes like cardboard. I remember hating this as a kid, and I still hate it. This is terrible. So, sugar encrusted cardboard. Yeah, eat it. Well, let's see. Where's the sugar? 6 grams of sugar in this thing. Doesn't taste like it. Next up is Apple Bites. Or Apple Bits. Knockoff of, what's it? Apple Jacks, I think it is. Looks like it. So let's pour these in there. I got a lot. There's a lot more pink versus green. And then there's the one that looks like poop. Takes a while for the flavor to get there, but it does taste like apple cinnamon. So this might be a cereal that you prefer to eat dry. Not bad, not good. But I've had worse. Trust me, the first one was worse. I might throw the first one to the birds. Well, technically the squirrels. Fruit rings. Can you guess what this one's trying to be? This one, I think, is trying to be Fruit Loops. Colorful. Not nearly as many purple ones as there are on the box. So I'll pour that in. Fruit Loops was actually pretty good. That's what this generic thing has. Okay, they don't have as much punch as the Fruit Loops, but they are fruity. I have no complaints. so far with the ones that are trying to be as much like the ones that they're supposed to represent. This is pretty much hands down just like it. And it's good in milk. That's a good knockoff. That knockoff's good enough I can put it into a bag of Fruit Loops and be fine with it. Okay, next knockoff. Coco Balls. Which, dude, if you're going to name it Coco Balls, you're going to have to be teased a lot. Okay, they're smaller than Cocoa Puffs. And we all know how bad poorly constructed cocoa cereals are. So I'll pour a little in there. And yes, the milk is turning funny colors already. Blue and brown. It's the color of a bruise. So yuck. Yuck. That tastes a lot like the Hershey Kiss cereal. But with a bitter aftertaste. Blech. Okay. Sugar Flakes. It's a knockoff of Frosted Flakes, which is in this taste test. So we'll see how much this compares. If I can remember, I hate Frosted Flakes. I hate because they get soggy so fast. Okay, so these don't want to leave their container. Okay, so yeah, it's cardboard. You can taste some of the sugar in it, but that's cardboard. It's adhesive. Again, have had worse. But I don't like how this seriously. But we can compare! Because we have a bag of Frosted Flakes. Well, it doesn't want to open all the way. Why am I blurry? Okay, it pours too fast. It pours too fast. Okay, so the bits are smaller with Frosted Flakes and they sink quicker. Well, I don't like Frosted Flakes. I have to say that the brand of Frosted Flakes actually has more notes than its knockoff. Because you can taste the sweetness, you can taste the corn, you can taste all this different stuff in there. Good? No, is it something I would eat? Yeah, maybe. If I was desperate. And yeah, I know, I'm finishing what I poured. Oh, you noticed that the power went out? My new computer does not like me. Ow. Next up is this one. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Well, that was a lot easier than the Frosted Flakes. Oh my god, that smells like cinnamon. Now, I think I had on here before, like, a contradictory one where it was Cinnamon Toast Chocolate or other. Not sure. You get the cinnamon, you get the sugar. It's very cardboardy, but at the same time, it's nice cardboardy. It works with this one. Who guessed that I like Cinnamon Toast Crunch more than Frosted Flakes? Okay, now, this is going to be an interesting one because I have 2 Lucky Charms. One says limited edition, but doesn't say how it's limited edition. And the other is normal. So we're going to see if they taste different. Do you remember as a kid I hated how the marshmallows and the crunchy cereal bits were not even? I love Lucky Charms, but I also hated them for the fact that the hard bits would get soggy right when the marshmallows were peak softness. Yeah, it still tastes like cardboard with marshmallows. And like everybody, I used to eat only the marshmallows. And the other bits have this weird flavor that does not taste like a flavor. They say they're gluten-free. Are they flavor-free too? I do like this little thing where they have like this little part right here. You can save the box and assemble it into something. Not much of something. They're magically delicious, yeah, sure. Okay, so let's see. See details inside. I don't see any details inside. That is an empty box. Because it says you could win $50 of lucky money. I'm looking inside. Do you see anything? Because it looks pretty empty to me. So guess what? They lied! They're probably not gluten-free either. Oh, see, side. Oh, there's the side. I have to get 3 boxes of this. And scan it to get a chance of winning $50. Yeah, that's not going to happen. So the difference so far that I'm seeing is the clovers and stars. Yeah, it's the same thing. Though I have to note that the marshmallows have slightly different flavorings based on the dyes that they use. something I always found funny. I don't know if they put flavoring in the marshmallows. Are they good? No. Are they bad? No. But yeah, as a kid, based on the flavor of the marshmallows, I preferred the golds whenever they came out. Which, mind you, kids, you might think you're original, but these things recycle. I'm old enough to know that they've recycled a lot of this stuff. Wait, they had a unicorn in this one? I ain't seen no unicorn. I ate a unicorn. Okay. That's the only one that's been different. Alright, so the one I'm opening now is Peep Cereal. I hate Peeps. And the only Peeps they had was the freaking family size. Oh God, it smells like Peeps. I might throw up again. Okay, so they are brightly colored red, yellow, and green, and there's like a little peep here. They have marshmallows? I had to pour out more just to see the fact that they have a couple of marshmallows in here. So, for start off, you can't tell the marshmallows from the rest of them. But yeah, there are tiny little marshmallows. This is a bunny. Why the bunnies so little? They have jacked ears. And I'm guessing that's a ducky. It's not bad. It's not good. The smell is making me want to puke. I can't really decipher it very well. So let's see. Let's take a marshmallow. That doesn't taste anything like Peeps. It's like a regular generic marshmallow. Okay, let's try one of the blue ones. Tastes like nothing. Tastes like a different kind of nothing. There's the flavor. It is weird. So the red ones flavor the entire bowl. And the soggier they get, the more they lose their flavor. It is really weird. I'm going to finish this, but I'm not going to be happy about it. But that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Toodles.